everybody! Okay, so it's the 18th of March 2020 and we are currently self-isolating. We've been social distancing ourselves. University has been cancelled for the foreseeable future and everyone is just staying at home and trying to do their own thing at the moment. It's all very strange, especially being in your final year at university, where you just want to enjoy yourself and make the most of it with your friends, because we'll be moving to different cities very soon. It's just very, very strange at the moment. But I thought I was going to do a room tour right at the end of the year once exams and everything are over. But as I'm going to be leaving very soon, I thought I'd show you now. I have lived in this room for 2 years now. And I've really enjoyed it. It's a really nice, safe, special space for me. And I've designed it the way I wanted it. I just love the ceiling and I've made it very green. I'll just be showing you around and keeping myself busy. So I hope you enjoy this video, and without further ado, here is my 3rd year of university room tour. So this is the view that you see as soon as you walk into my bedroom. It's very green and it's very pink and it's very leafy. So I'm just going to take you around bit by bit, starting from here. So we've just got the door, we've got my Husky keys, a bin, and then here we've got just all my toiletries or deodorant sprays, and then just some everyday makeup. Up here is my favourite feature of the room. It's my big world map, and it's just really, really special to me. So I got this during Freshers Week, this big map. We got it from the Union, and around it I've just printed out some of my favourite disposable pictures. So these photos are all from 3rd year, so from the ball, the netball girls, Liv, my netball team this year, and then me and Mel, and these are some family photos from holidays, Ish, Maddie and Esme and I, me and Karis, and then gang from back home. Ish and Maddie, Amy, the girl gang, Nick, James, Karis, as in the Philippines, me and Millie, me and Danielle, that one's of me skiing, and yeah, and then I've got my ski pass from Andorra, which I'm going to keep. Yeah, some tulips that Esme got me the other day. This is from the Law Society. I'm not actually part of that, I just went to get a free travel size cup. This candle, it's a wax lyrical candle, and it's in the fragrance Hillside. It's from their Lake District collection. I've got a coin, I've got my laptop, some lip products, all my textbooks which I took out of the library, because at the moment the library is limited to, it's open until, it's from 9 AM till 5 in the afternoon. Granola, cereal, some rice, because Filipino, we can't live without that. Literally I haven't used this since 1st year. It's run out of ink, that's probably why, and I'm a student so I can't afford to buy loads of expensive printer ink. And then I've just got my shoes down here, and then an Opoly box and some random stuff. My netball kit, my netball shoes, I'm not going to wear them again, which I'm really sad about. And then this drawer is just makeup and stuff. This one's just bits and bobs. This one is hair care products and noodles and stuff. So moving on, we've got my wardrobe. So on top of my wardrobe I've got my antler suitcase. I've got my picture from last year. That's the fun photo with all the netball girls, and then that was my netball team. 5th team, I miss you guys. And then we've just got some more pictures from the AU ball, some photos from Birmingham, holidays, all AU ball pictures, me when I was little, me and Mel. And here's just my dissertation stuff. My wardrobe is about to collapse, literally just extra supplies. Tins and noodles, haven't stockpiled or anything. My wardrobe door struggles to close. And then in here's just like random stuff. This one's towels, and this one is just like, yeah, we don't need to see that. So I've got a dissertation folder, my MacBook sleeve, me. This one's a nice mirror. This one came with the room. It's not even, it like frustrates me how it's like slightly tilted, but like when I move it, it just doesn't like being. And then I've got my daily habits here. So take tablets, drink a glass of water, skincare, read for 30 minutes and watch one French video, because at one point I was continuing on from my A-level French, and I was like, I'm gonna learn French, I'm gonna speak French, but yeah, life got in the way. This is just my little side table. So I've got a picture of my mum and dad, my lamp, my diary, Nat Geo, yeah, just some the necessities, my spot creams and stuff, portable charger. This is all nail polish and just random stuff. These are my makeup remover pads, because I've stopped using cotton wool because it's better for the environment. And these ones, you literally just, they're really, really soft. You use them with your like rose water and toner, and then you just pop them in the washing machine. My netball league sliders, they are everything. They are very rare and they have my name on them, which is super cute. So thank you, Lucy Satter, if you're watching this. And then here is my bed. I think it's a 3/4. Well, it's not a double and it's not single, but it's one of those. Yeah, I've got my grommet, which I've had, is actually a hot water bottle holder, but I don't use. I gave my hot water bottle to my housemate Matty for his American football trip to Edinburgh, and it blew up. So yeah, this drawer here is just like Duke of Edinburgh stuff and camping equipment. This one's like just bedding and snacks, so not very interesting. And over here is my favourite part of the room. It is all my cards and stuff, so I'm actually going to go through them because they make me so happy. So this one's from my grandma and granddad, Sophie, my grandma, my brother, Sophie, Hyatt, Eva, my dad, Sophie again, Sophie again, Sophie again, Selena, Brian and Dorota, Sophie and Hyatt. And I just really like writing letters because it's just a really special way of speaking to people. I think we've lost our touch with social media now. And then these ivy I just got from Amazon. Got like loads of strips. I don't actually know how many I got. Here's my windowsill. I've just got like some books. This is my dream catcher from Ibiza. My brother got it me. And I just put some more of these things up here. I did have a snake. I don't know where it's gone. A toy snake, of course. Then I've got my makeup brushes, which I do need to clean. So we've got a radiator, but the radiator doesn't work, even though it's on 5. Well, my tripod box. My granddad got me this radiator. It's got wheels on it, so I just plug that in. My tripod, which I rarely ever use because I don't have time to film videos. My uni backpack, work bags and stuff. And then moving over here is a really happy section of my room. I have got an attic bedroom, so that's probably why. But this is my favourite feature, other than the world map and everything. The tapestry is from a hippie market in Ibiza. This is actually a silk scarf from Hyatt that I got for my birthday. Camera, my watch, I've just got it out, like I'm not doing it to like brag or anything. It's eco drive, so it needs the sun to function properly. My aloe vera, which I actually haven't been, like it's dying, but I think it's okay. Like it's tilted to one side. If you know, you know. I've got this glass. This is really special. This is what my team gave to me. So it says Lanica, cheers for the best year, live 5th. So that's really special. I don't actually drink out of it, maybe when I'm hungover, but I've got an orchid. Just some bits, yes, crucial in this epidemic. $9.99, will sell, open to offers. And then here I've just got like my little cacti, just some sprays and things like that. The mirror is, I don't know where my mirror is from, my auntie gave it me. She also gave me this, which is some Oriental women with turungs. We wear them in the Philippines to keep the sun out of our face. I've got my netball ribbons, vodka, ketchup and sweet chili sauce, speaker, Wilkinson's fairy lights. They're on, but they're not very bright. I need to change the battery, but then I got this, and was in my first room tour video. Life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be, and I got that from my best friend Sophie. When I move house, if I go to London or wherever I go, this is coming with me. And then in here is just like standard drawers, so you've got like all your bits and bobs. You've got sportswear, like supplies of stuff, like extra supplies. This one's just like loads of shit. It's just everything. And yeah, that's pretty much. I'll give you another pan of the room, my whole room. It's very me, it's very Lanica. It's not always this tidy, guys, so please don't think, wow, she's doing this room tour. Her room's always like this, because it's not. It is never, ever. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please ignore my skin and everything. Just being in self-isolation is it's very strange. I just want to go outside for a walk, but it's a very strange time. Good luck to everyone doing their dissertations. Good luck to people in first year of university, when it's supposed to be fun and you're supposed to be enjoying it, has been cut to an end. And my thoughts go out to people like the elderly, vulnerable people who are unable to go shopping, and they're most likely to be at risk of this epidemic. But yes, stay safe and stay positive, guys, and I will see you in my new video. Take care, guys. Bye. Mwah.